The summation of fx is equal to 0. So, na 400 in, so 400 in sine opposite man sa kuan, opposite sine, wait lang sa arctan theta 3/4 theta is equal to arctan 3/4 is equal to 36.86 36.86 36.86 equal to cos fx 320 n, then ang fy summation of fy 400 n sine 36.86 equal to 239.9 Newton or 240 Newton. Number 2, F1 is equal to 30 F pound 40 degree 15 degree 2 is equal to 40 pound F3 is equal to 25 pound summation for fx f1 is equal to 30 cos 45 21.21 f2 is equal to 40 cos 15 38.63 f3 is equal to 55 sine 15 degree equal to 6.47 for fy f1 equal to 30 sine 45 to 40 sine negative ini negative 10 f3 equal to negative 25 cos 15 f1 is equal to 21.21 2 is equal to 10.35 minus 3 is equal to negative 24.4 summation of resultant fx equal to plus fy 2 66.31 2 plus negative 13.28 2. Resultant is equal to 67.6 Newton. For the theta, then arc time 13.28 66.31 is equal to 11.32 or 11.3 Newton. For fx, f1 is equal to 600 cos 30 519.6. For f2, 500 cos 60 250. For f3, negative paubos man siya, 450 sin 36.86 equal to negative 269.93. For fy, f1 is equal to 600 sin 30 equal to 300. For f2, 500 sin 62.01. For f3, cos 36.86 negative 360.04. equal ang tanan sila is 499.6. Diri is negative 493.05. Our resultant plus resultant is 701.9 or 702. For theta, Newton. So normal force ang N, then ang P is 1,200 pound, then ang F is 400 pound. Natay for arctan 4/3 to 53.13 theta LED 53.13 theta. Theta is equal to 180 minus 90 minus 53.13. Theta is equal to 36.87 degree. 36.87. For fx equal to negative 1,200 cos 53.13 is equal to negative 720 pound. For fy negative 1 to sine 53.13 equal to negative 960 pound. For penny, for fx equal to 400 cos 36.87 equal to 14.9 pound or 419.40 pound. Fy negative 400 sine 36.87 degree equal to negative 240 pound. For problem 6, a string ABCD attended to fixed points A and D has two equal weight of 1000 Newton attached to it at B and C. The shown the figure find the tension in the position AB, BC, and CD of the string if the inclining of the portion B with the vertical is 120. Six A is equal FBD for P-body diagram. B 120 degrees 1000 Newton 90 degrees may 20 degrees nga din may 30 degrees didi 30 degrees didi 1000 Newton TBC equal to sine 120 equal to TDC sine 120 TBC equal to sine 120 equal to 1000 sine 120 equal to 1000 is equal to TBC for TCD 1000 sine 120 equal to TCD sine 120 equal to 1000. Therefore T tab 1732.1 ang TBC equal to 1000 and TCD equal to 1000. R7 B wait 1 A joint to B on B 120 degrees weight 2 ang Newton 3000 Newton ang D let TB EB tension in the portion EB TC is equal to tension in the portion BC TCD tension in the portion CD and TCD is equal to TDE is equal to 300 Newton. Apply Lami's equation at C. TBC over sine 150 degrees equal to 300 sine 90 degrees. Calculate. TBC is equal to 150 Newton. Then applying, then solving the for TEB. TBC is equal over sine 120 degrees equal to tab over sine 90 degrees 150 over sine 120 degrees over tab sine 90 degrees equal to 173.20 Newton. solving 4 with 2, 300 over sin 90 equal to, or 2 with 2 sin 120 equal to 260.80 Newton. Solving 4 with 150 over sin 120 equal to and 150 equal to 86.60 Newton. For problem 8, kahit 5525 0 25 feet 20 feet. TAB is equal to 20 feet I plus 100 feet J minus 25 feet K. For magnitude of tab TAB equal to 22 plus 100 2 plus 25 2. Calcu is equal to 105 feet. TBA times YAB TBA 525 pounds for 100 feet 20 feet plus 100 feet J minus 25 feet K is equal to 100 pound I plus 100 pound J plus negative 125 K. If X equal to 100 pound, if Y equal to 500 pound, ang FG equal to negative 1.5 pound. For number 9, EB equal to, ang EC equal to X equal to 40 inches, X to 1000 inches, Y equal to 45 inch equal to 45 inch. Ang Z equal to 60 inch, G is equal to 60 inch. 85 inch and 125 inch. AB 4 to 5 pounds. Ang AC equal to 520 pounds. 4 to 5 over 85 degrees times 40. Then 510 over 125 times 100 pound. 425 over 85 45. 510 125 5 425 85 60. 510 over 125 over 60. Mao nang components of X, Y, and Z. Kini ang equal na 608. Ini negative 408. Kini 544.8. For resultant is equal to 608 plus 408 squared plus 544 squared equal to 5.92 pound. For QX equal to cos 1608 over 912.92 to 48.2. Ang QY equal to cos negative 1 408 over 912.92 6.54. For HG cos negative 1 equal to 0.9112.92 equal to 0.36. That's its answer. For number 10, TEB to TEB EB TEB equal to negative 4.2i 506j over square root of 4.2 500.62 TEB to negative 6 TEBI 0.8 TEBJ TEC equal to TEC EC TEC equal to 2.4i minus 5.6j plus 4.2k square root of 2.42 minus 5.62 plus 2 squared. For TEC is equal to negative 0.862 EDJ 0.58 TEDK and FA equal to 80 Joule Newton. For equilibrium of forces, summation of PA is equal to 0, negative 0.6 TAB plus 0.3 324 TAC to D. Equation 1. For summation Fy x din x Fy negative 0.8 TAB negative 0.757 TAC 862 TED plus 800 equal to 0 is equation 2. For summation Fg is equal to 0, 0.56 TEC 8 C minus 0.508 TED is equal to 0. For equation 3, solving 1, 2, and 3, solving 1 and 2, 3, FEB TEB to 201 Newton, FEC to TEC equal to 372 Newton, FEB equal to TED 416 Newton.